Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Sam, this is Express Performance. Today I'm going to be tinting this Ford Puma. I've also got a Transit custom to tint as well. Well, this one's not a massive rush, but I'll be doing this one in between jobs. So when the Transit turns up, I'll pull this one out and get that one in. If you want to see a breakdown on how to tint a back window, I'll leave a link above. It's on a previous video. Anyway. So, that's the back one done. Just gave it a wipe down, got a few marks on it from the soap and that. Already changing the look of the car. Look at that. This must be one of the smallest windows, or visual windows, on a vehicle that I've seen. I've done a couple now, but this is definitely probably one of the smallest. I don't even know why they did put it in. You might as well save the money and put a bit of gloss plastic trim there. There's no point, you can hardly even see out of it. I'm generally trying to think of what is smaller. Let me know in the comments if you can think of anything. I cannot. So that's the pan. That's legitimately the size of it. Like, that's my hand. That's how big the actual visual area of the glass is. Imagine that all being gloss as it looks now, instead of glass, having plastic. Surely that would save a ton of money. Well, surely it would save a ton of money across hundreds of thousands of cars that they're going to produce, potentially. Like, generally, you're not going to be able to get through there to break into the vehicle. Right, you might be able to stick your hand and get something out, but I don't think you're going to get much past your arm. That being said, that one's now tinted. Just got the other two doors to do and the other little one on the other side. So I've moved the Puma outside now. Pulled this Transit custom Tourneo custom, sorry, Transit, same thing. They all look the same. Once it completely limo, tinted out, got ultimate privacy. Going to be staying in it, I think. Well, you turn it into a camper so you can stay in it. To be fair, it's quite a smart vehicle. It's going to look nice when all the tints are all black on it. It's going to make it look really smart. And all the way around, it's got windows all the way around on it. Everything behind the driver's seat. That's kind of what the finished look will be. Now it's time to get all this installed inside the vehicle. So that's the back window in. Walking to the wall as I'm backing up. That's that one in. Obviously this is a 5% limited, but there's more daylight coming through from the front, so that's why you can see right through to the front. Especially this like burnt orange, having tinted windows makes a world of difference, I think, personally. So that's the side sliding door windows done, 2 in there, back's done, that side. Now it's just the back 2/4 windows. That's the Transit Tourneo custom done. Looking sweet. Really makes this colour pop. Boiler on the back looks awesome, I think, as well. Look at that. So that's the Transit Tourneo done. I'll pull it outside and walk around in a sec. Here's the finished look from outside in natural daylight. So the Tourneo is complete. Now I've got to crack on back on with that. Crack on back on. Now I've got to carry on with that Ford Puma. Let's get that done. Now I've got a couple eBay orders to finish up, and then yeah, I think that'll pretty much finish my day. Been pretty mental with phone calls and people coming in. As we've had a long weekend, bank holiday, Anyway, let's get to it. So the Ford Panda, Ford Puma is done, in the privacy tint all the way around. Looks like factory. This is actually for Ford main dealer. That's it for this video, guys. Just another quick day of tinting vehicles, or tinting Fords today as it was. I've got a couple big jobs coming up in the next couple of weeks. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.